In this beginner's guide, I'll show you how to connect a wired headphone or headset to your PS5 properly via USB or 3.5mm audio jack. So let's begin. As you know, PlayStation 5 doesn't support any third-party Bluetooth headphones or earbuds. So you're only left with either a wired headphone with a 3.5mm or a USB interface. These are plug-and-play devices, so if you have a 3.5mm headset, you need to plug it into your PS5 DualSense controller. As you can see, here's a headphone port at the bottom of your controller, so grab your headset's cable and plug the audio jack all the way in properly. And if you have a headset that comes with a USB interface, then you have to plug it into your console, and you can use either the front USB or the back USB ports. And as soon as you connect it, your console will detect it immediately. If you have multiple users, you may need to select which user you want to assign it to. After that, you'll be good to go. Now to switch between your headphone and other inputs, grab your controller and press the PS button. From there, go to Sound and select your preferred output device. Here you can see we have both our 3.5mm headphones and USB headphones. So we can switch between them anytime we want from here and also control their volume. And in case your headphone comes with a mic, then we will go back, select mic, and from there select which microphone we want to use. And that's all. Now you're ready to enjoy music and play games using your wired headset on your PlayStation 5. If this was helpful, make sure to stay tuned and good games.